You only need 2 tools to do this job. One, you need a simple flat bladed screwdriver, and 2, and you won't see this on other videos, you will need a silicone pry tool set. And all they are is they're just simply silicone bars with ends which will not damage the plastic of your dashboard. So the first thing you've got to do is you have to remove this plastic cover here. So all you do is you get your pry bar and you just get it underneath the edge like that. It's as simple as that. Pop it out, and as you can see when it comes out, there's a number of these little sort of pressure clips holding it in, and you pull it out. There's this little spigot just here. Mine's had a bit of a hard life, but it just locates it in there. Now when we take the side off, you can have a look in the side, and you can see that when we open the glove box up, there was actually just a little hole, and you can see through that little hole there is a little black arm there. That's the shock absorber. Okay, that's the shock absorber. So the reason you need this hole is so you can get a screwdriver through there to lift the arm off. So that's exactly what we're going to do. So I'm going to put my screwdriver through that hole in the side that I just showed you. And you can see it there, and it's just going to go underneath that arm and just pop it off. Like that. Underneath the glove box are two hinges, if you like, which one on either side, which is simply a pressure fit plastic club. So they can just be popped off, pull up from one side, like that, and pull up from the other side, like that, and it will come out like that. There's your shock absorber there. Some people like to take them out and mess around with them. Personally, I've found the simplest way is actually just leave it exactly as it is, and I'll show you how to put it back in a moment. The first thing you want to be aware of is that these lugs at the top need to go behind these lugs here. Okay, so the first thing you've got to do is forget all about this for the moment. Okay, other videos, like I say, tell you to focus on that. Forget all about it, because you'll be faffing around for ages. Now you've got that in place, now just drop it back until you can get the plastic lugs to just locate on top of their hinge parts. Okay, now you will find that this, because it's raised up, will fail on here, but don't worry about that for now. So it's just roughly in place. Okay. Next, what you want to do is get this shock absorber back in place. So I'm just going to get it on the lip of that, just start to ease it out a bit. Okay, start to pull out against that, and as it comes out, you can see it's obviously lengthening quite considerably. And then, if we're looking through the side window there you go. And you can see it's now resting on the bar. So I should be able to now push it down. That's it. So you should be able to see that's where the hinge lid lug needs to go. Just there. And the other end is just there. So I'll put this end on first. Like that. And this end afterwards, like that. There's a fair amount of force. Close it up, open it up. Shock was always doing its job. Now all you need to do is put that plastic panel back on the side, and it's all done. So let's get a panel. Like I said, it's got a locator lug. Hopefully yours is in better condition than mine. It's almost come off now. Put that in, and offer the clips up to the holes there. Push it all in, clips in nicely. Make sure your rubber sealed is there. Mine seems to only go over at the top there. And as you can see, glove box opens nice and gently. Shock absorber's doing its job. Closes up, and you're finished.